In this video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Logitech G920. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. When connected to a PC, a laptop, you will have customization options for your G920. In order to access these customization options, you will need the G Hub software. You can customize the profiles and use them for every single game. You can customize game-specific profiles, and all that you have to do is download G Hub. So this software is available on the official Logitech website. Just go over to logitechg.com, hover over software, and then select G Hub or look for it on Google. Choose the option to download for Windows or Mac OS, and ensure that your Logitech G920 is currently connected to that device where you downloaded the software. Now open it up and it should automatically detect the steering wheel. Now sadly for this video, I don't actually have a G20 at hand at the moment to demonstrate it in full, but basically every Logitech device that you have connected will appear on this list and you can select it to customize the options. So for the G920 specifically, this is how it looks like. You will find the categories at the left, so you can customize things like the sensitivity, the actual steering wheel, and then other categories at the bottom. You can change the profile, so the default one is desktop, which means that it is active across all applications and games, or you can make specific ones. So for example, if you are playing Euro Truck Simulator and you want to have an exclusive profile to that game, just change it here from an application or game basis, and then choose each category to customize the individual options. Everything will be saved onto the actual 920, so as long as you keep the software running on the background, it is going to be set up and work for any compatible game or application. Just download the G Hub software and it is going to be automatically detected when you open it up for the first time. I hope I was able to help you on how to customize Logitech G920. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.